Hi guys and welcome back. How are you doing? I hope your day is amazing. So today I want to share with you another Temu haul. I picked up a lot of cool stuff. Last time I unboxed only one box and today I have this big box to unbox with you guys. Some of these items I have already opened and I've been using to give you guys my honest review because I picked up some really cool gadgets. So I wanted to see if these items really works. And also I have some new makeup. If you're new to Temu, I would say please give them a try because they are fantastic. If you are on a budget, you can find stuff from all categories on their website for extremely affordable, and the quality is really nice for the price. Honestly, everything you'll see in this video was sent to me for free from Temu. But honestly, not only that, I buy a lot at their website as well with my own money because I'm in absolutely love with their website because how convenient it is. Everything is really affordable. You don't need a lot of money to shop at their website, and a lot of their stuff is amazing quality and I use on daily basis. So yeah, anyways, let's get started with today's video. If you're new here, I post shopping content all of the time here and I mainly post on budget shopping. So if you enjoy videos like this, please consider on subscribing and give this video a thumbs up in case you enjoy watching this one. Anyways, you guys, let's get started. If you're new to Temu, you can also use my code DKD8569 to save 50% off of your first purchase. First off, I picked up this palette organizer. I wanted to see quality on these organizers because I want to organize all of my eyeshadow palettes. I picked up the size small, but I need the large sizes for these for eyeshadow palettes. But the quality on this is fantastic, you guys. Honestly, it's very finely made and it's pretty sturdy, not cheap at all. I'm going to order a bunch of these to organize my vanity. Also, I picked up this Color Bloom liquid blush. I was wondering on the quality on this product. This one is in the shade Love Cake. They have a few shades to choose from for these. So here is how the packaging is on the inside and here is the product. And when I swatch it, here is how it looks like. I'm absolutely in love with this shade of blush and it gives really pretty glow as well, as you can see. And when you blend it, here is how it looks like. It have little bit of glitters, if you mind that. I don't like glitters in my blushes, but this shade looks really cute. Then I also picked up this butter lip cream. I thought this shade is going to be way lighter than this, but it's a bit darker than how it looks on their website. So this is the shade you get. It's more of a lip gloss to me. When you blend it, here is how it is. It's not sticky. I don't mind the formula on this product. Then also for makeup, I grabbed this loose powder. It's so gorgeous on the inside. I grabbed mine in the shade Translucent. Here is how it is. I thought it's so fun and cute. I never really like loose setting powders, honestly, because of my very dry skin. But I thought I would add my own powder in case I don't like the formula on this one as well. So when you open it up, here is how the packaging is. It comes with little puff and this is the product you get. And I also wanted to show you the packaging on the inside. It's very finely made and feels like really high quality product, but I don't like the formula on the powder itself. Honestly, it's too drying for my dry skin. Also, it's leaving white cast, which is a big no for me. But I would add my own loose setting powder that I use sometime in this little compartment and would keep it on my vanity because I love the packaging for this. Next up, I ordered this Hairline shadow pen. This is to cover any bald patches on your hair when you wear, ponytail or a bun. I always keep my hair up, so I thought I would give it a try. And honestly, I would highly recommend you this product. It works fantastic, stay all day, and also the formula is really very nice. It's very pigmented and quick. Here you can see the little swatch for this. They have this in a couple of different shades. Next up, I also ordered this air cooler fan. This is my favorite find for this haul. This is a rechargeable air cooler fan, perfect for hot days. We took it with us when we went for hiking and we absolutely love it, me and my husband. It works like a charm. I'll show you in a bit how it works. So this basically is a rechargeable. It have a lot of different settings as you can see, and it comes with this charging cord and also instruction card. So you have to fill some water on this little tank, and here is how it is when you charge it. The fan have three different settings. It works like a charm, honestly, because we have tried it a couple of times, and this is the cooling settings. And this cooler is actually cooling. Honestly, it works really good. I'm in absolutely love with this find at Temu. It also have a few light settings as well, and right next to it there is a timer setting as well, which is right here. Three different settings for how long you want to keep it on, and on the back you can charge it, and this is the tank to fill in water. You can also add perfume if you want beautiful fragrance at your home. I would definitely highly recommend this product. I also grabbed this shimmer stick. This is a blush stick. It's a very pretty product. So here is how it is on the inside. The shade is bit too red, but the swatch was so pretty when I swatched it on my hand. I have not used it on my face honestly, but here is the swatch for this. Also for makeup, I grabbed this durable coloration waterproof liquid lipstick set. You get 4 lipsticks. I love the packaging and it smells really good as well. These comes in a few different shades. I grabbed mine in the shade Honey Peach. Here is how it is they are on the inside, and this is the swatch. I honestly really love Temu lipsticks. I have really good luck with their lipsticks. I like a lot of their lip formulations. This one also is one of the best. I would definitely recommend you to grab this set. It's extremely affordable and very cute, and the size is perfect to keep in your purse. I also grabbed this lip plumper from Kiss Beauty. It's a very little tiny size. It did not hurt my lips but did a little bit of plumping effect. Nothing too crazy. I would say you can give it a try because it's really very affordable. It's a clear lip gloss. Also, I picked up this pH balancing lipsticks. I absolutely love these color changing lipsticks at Temu. So this one right here is in the green color, but when you swatch it, here is how it is. It works with your pH balance. Really cute pink color on me. And the formula is really comfortable. It's like a lip butter. Also, I grabbed this mascara. I wanted to give it a try. It's a green mascara. I have not tried it on my eyes, but this is the wand. It looks pretty pigmented. Then I grabbed this Shadow and Light Brow Contour Mousse in the shade Mocha. So you get this little spoon which is dual ended, and then when you open it up, this is the these are the products you get. You get eyeshadow mousse and also a concealer. When you swatch it, here is how it is. I don't like the formulation on the concealer, but the brow shadow looks pretty good, but they are pretty very buttery kind of. I don't think they are long lasting. I don't know about this product. I think you should pass on it. And I grabbed this Lang Mani Brow Lift. I absolutely love their liquid lipsticks that I found at Temu last time. Also the concealer. So I thought I would give this brow gel a try. It comes with this little angled spoolie. I would say the formulation on this is not as good as some of their other products. It's pretty good but not amazing. Also, I grabbed this little eyeliner tool. It looked really interesting to me on their website. Look at the packaging. So I thought I would give it a try. I have not tried it, but it's like silicone applicator. I cannot wait to give it a try. It's very interesting. Next up, I ordered this bug zapper. This product is insane, works amazing if you don't have it and you have mosquitoes in your home. We have a lot of trees here in Atlanta, so there are a lot of mosquitoes and bugs. It works fantastic, you guys. I have it outside and it's working amazing. I would definitely highly recommend you this product. You can hang it as well. Here you can see 10 on 10 for this. It works fantastic. I also grabbed this flower bouquet, which looks like this on the inside. I was not expecting them to be this pretty because the quality is great on these and they are really very affordable. If you buy them somewhere else, the stuff like this runs pretty expensive. I cannot wait to decorate them. I really love them. Now the last item I grabbed was these two kitchen mats. I grabbed one of the largest size they have, and one is in the size medium. They have these in a lot of different cute prints and colors, but I like this one the best. These are really very soft, velvet to the touch and really high quality, and here is how they are on the back. It's anti-slip. I would definitely recommend you these. These are really affordable and nice quality.